In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in a picture in Canva. If you've ever wanted to bring your subject closer or crop out distractions without confusing the overall layout, this simple approach will give you a clean, precise result. Start by opening your project, then navigate to the page where your picture is placed. It helps to make sure you're on the correct page before you begin, so the rest of the process is smooth and you can see changes in context with your design. Now, double-click the picture. This opens the cropping view and highlights the image with handles around its edges. You're going to use these handles to control how close the image appears, essentially zooming in by enlarging the image within its frame. Move your cursor to any corner of the picture and drag outward. As you pull the corner away, you'll notice the image appears closer and more focused on the area you want. Think of it as scaling up the photo inside its existing space, which creates that zoomed-in look without adding extra elements. If you drag too far and the subject gets cut off, don't worry, you can fine-tune it. With the crop still active, click and drag the picture to reposition it. This lets you decide exactly which part of the photo stays visible in the frame. Perfect for centering a face, highlighting a product, or removing distracting edges. Take a moment to adjust until the focal point feels balanced. If you need to change the size of the picture on the page, use the corner handles to resize proportionally so the image keeps its natural aspect ratio and doesn't look stretched. If your design calls for a different shape, you can adjust the sides, but keep an eye on proportions so your image still looks professional. A quick tip: watch for pixelation when you zoom in a lot. If the image starts to look soft or blurry, you may be enlarging it beyond its original resolution. In that case, try a slightly less aggressive zoom or swap in a higher resolution image for a crisper result. Also, pay attention to the alignment guides that appear as you move the image. They help you keep everything neat and centered. That's all there is to it. Go to your project, open the page with your picture, double-click to enter the crop view, drag a corner outward to zoom in, reposition the image until it looks right, and use the corners to resize while maintaining a good aspect ratio. You're done.